Hello friends, today I want to show you how to make our Gracy blanket. This video is for the blanket stitch body. You will need a crochet hook 6 mm metric size and worsted weight yarn. I'm using cotton of drops, this yarn that was used also for original blanket. The only thing that I don't have anymore the pink yarn, so we will be using light blue. The pattern stitch is very easy to remember, and basically it's you're working 2 rows to start, and then repeat the row 2 till the end of your work. The pattern stitch count is times 4. For the purpose of this video, I chained 24 chains. Now we will start the first row. We will make yarn over and we'll work 1 double crochet in 4th chain from the hook. Then we make chain 1, and in the same chain we will work half double crochet. Now we will skip 3 chains and we will work 2 double crochet in the same chain, chain 1, and half double crochet in the same chain. So we continue our row making clusters with skipping 3 chains. So you skip 3 chains and work in the same cluster 2 double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet till the end of our row. So as you see, just the first cluster we work a little bit differently, because the first 3 chain we count as 1 double crochet stitch. All the rest of the work is done using the same cluster: 2 double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet. When you arrive to the last chain, we work exactly the same as before. We do the same cluster with 2 double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet. Then we chain 3 and we turn. Now we will be working second row, and basically you will continue all your work repeating row 2. So as we did before, the first cluster we do just 1 double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet. We are working in the loop formed by chain space of the previous row, so we work in here. Every cluster we work in these little loops. So again, when you arrive to the end of your row, in the last loop formed by chain 1 space, we do our regular cluster, 2 double crochet, chain 1, and half double crochet. Then we chain 3 and we turn. So basically now you will continue all the time the same row 2 as we did right now, till the end when your blanket will be of desired length. In my next video I will show you how to add a board into a blanket, so it will look very seamless and will feel like an extension of the blanket body pattern.